My foot got crushed by the winch. Then from there, I was on the ground, and I was picked up and put in the ambulance, taken to the hospital. And on the way to the hospital, I didn't even think that anything was that bad till after they took my boot off and found out that my foot was really, really bad. They took x-rays and set it up to bring me in and have do emergency surgery because they were worried about blood clots. And like a month later is when I had the amputation. I lost all 5 of my toes and a 5th of my foot.
It was jolting, to be honest with you. I was like, what? And literally we're hundreds of miles away. I mean, he was in Louisiana and here I am in Virginia. I actually didn't talk to him immediately. It was somebody from his company that had called. And so I hadn't even talked to him. And then they were telling me what was going on, you know, but I mean, my first thought is, how am I even gonna get to him?
I've been an engineer for over 30 years. And that was my lifestyle, and that's all I ever did. I started working in the marine industry when I was 18 years old till where I'm at now, and I'd never probably go back to doing that again. That was my lifestyle, you know, that was my livelihood. Well, the settings I worked on supply boats, I worked on tugboats, I worked on river boats with barges, and I worked my way from a deckhand to a QMed to an engineer to a chief engineer. I've been a chief engineer for over 30 years.
It was very heartbreaking that the decision had to be made to remove part of his foot. It's not a feeling that I don't wish it on anybody.
Had to do physical therapy and had to learn how to walk again and learn how to use stairs. You know, doing physical therapy, I had to walk with a cane for a couple of years.
Finances were a huge issue. I mean, losing that significant amount of income and potentially for the rest of our lives, very concerning. We had a daughter in college at the time. It was overwhelming. You just had no idea of what was going to happen, how things were going to work out.
I found BB attorneys by Googling Maritime, attorneys, and BB attorneys came up as they deal with Maritime and Jones Act cases.
And the reviews were excellent and honestly well-deserved.
They never asked for anything up front. They sent somebody at the beginning, they sent somebody to our house, sat down with us for a few hours and talked about the case and didn't ask for anything. They said that once the person left here, said that we had a case and that they would take it on.
The fact that BB attorneys not only took on our case, but then did not have us pay an upfront charge was beyond amazing. It took the worry off of like having to retain lawyers and how many thousands of dollars would be to put up front to hopefully, win a case and get some money back, for the rest of your life. I mean, literally we need it for the rest of our lives. We were never left in the dark at no point in time. You can tell that they are caring. It's not just about dollars and cents for them. It really isn't. It's like about, we want to help you. You had a legitimate situation. They go so far above and beyond what I think would be expected. They don't want to see you suffer. They don't. They want to see you be in a better place.
I lost my career and everything that I did.
I believe that if we did not call BB attorneys, we would not have gotten the professional care. We would have had a much different outcome and it would not have been favorable. We were given so much more than just closing this lawsuit out.
And there's not enough words, to give that, that help and the kindness and care and loving that they gave us.
Really honestly, like they honestly, you could tell they care about their clients. They actually care about their clients. You're not just another number. You really are not just another number.